Hey guys, thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I want to talk about Dosh and how powerful Dosh is and how easy you can make money with Dosh. You know, like I said, Dosh is just a cashback app. It's probably #1 by now on the Apple Store and the Android Store. It's a cashback app. Once you download the app, you just link a debit card to it. The company going to give you $5. So you made money right then and there. And then the only thing you have to do once you get everything, you just come to refer and you get your link. You get your link and you use your link. You guys, you post it on Facebook, you post it on Instagram, you post it, you just share it. So people want to keep asking me, Jason, so how can I make a $50 or give me $50 or all these questions are how it works. People, just share your app. Share it. Share it. It's 1 million some people in America. Nobody, like everybody doesn't have this app. It's working up there now, but everybody knows about it but doesn't have it, man. You guys, put it in front of people. If you put it in front of one person every day, if you get somebody to sign up every day, $35. So you just do the math on it, man. All you need is just 3 people. You get 3 people a day. Let's just say 3 people a day, that's $15. It's times 7, that's $100 a week. You don't have 3 people in front of you? First of all, do what you go do. You go ask your mother. Matter of fact, go ask your friend that you were just with, the one you just got off the phone with, the one you sitting there with right now, the one that you know what I'm saying, that you miss. Get that friend to do it. And then you get all your friends to do it. Especially if you in college or in high school, you can't get 3 people a day. Now you saying you can get more than 3 people. Psh, that's what's up, man. You know what I'm saying? Say if you get 10 people a day. 10 people a day, that's $50. That's $350 by the end of the week. Now you want to get real savvy and get real nitty gritty. Say if you get let's say you get 20 people a day. You know, 20 people a day. At $5, that's $100 a day. That's $700 at the end of the week. You could quit your 9-to-5 job. You ain't gotta go to school no more, and stuff like that. All because of one app, the Dosh app. So, you know, this is what I got in my wallet. You guys, it works. It works every day. Every day we bringing them in every day, and you can make a full time. You know, hopefully y'all find value in this video. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right, peace.